Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, let's check your person's emotion this coming week for you. Yes, oo. So, again, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, yes, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay. So, yes. So, isa-isahin natin muli. Oo, para sa mga bago dyan. Nakakasali lang sa ating page, sa ating channel. So, andito sila, no? Okay. So, unahin muna natin yung mga evil eye protection. Yes, meron tayong mga evil eye protection. Legit. Syempre. Okay, legit evil eye protection. Okay. So, meron tayong apat na sample ng evil eye protection. So, ito sila. Okay. So, unahin natin yung bracelet. So, bracelet, meron tayong sample dito. Ito yung ating garterize. Okay. Ganyan po yung kanyang pendant. Okay. Obsidian stone. Okay. So, ito naman yung, this is unisex, by the way. So, ito naman yung ating naka-customize. Okay? So, pwede nyong pagawang red string. Itong ating ito. Okay? Available kasi siya sa black and red string. Wala na pong iba. Kayo magtatanong, pwede po bang green? Yun lang po, ha? Yung sinabi ko, red and black. Oo. So, again, yun. Ito naman, ito po ay yung mga initial. Initial po ito na magmamay-ari po. Okay, pero yes, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyong ipalagay na initial. Okay, so may nagpapalagay kasi dito, initial ng initial niya, initial ng jowa niya, mga ganyang bagay. Anyway, so yung ating ring, this is adjustable. So, nothing to worry pagdating sa sizes. And dito naman yung ating ganda nito. Simple, pero bongga. Simple, pero kabog. Yan yung ating evil eye necklace. So, gawa natin na yan. Evil eye necklace. Yan. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. So, ito po, this is unisex. Maliit lang, no? Makikita nyo, maliit lang. Sobrang maliit lang. Yung pendant niya, ganyan lang. Malaki pa yung kuko ko. Okay, hindi lang talaga mabigyang hustisya ng ating camera. Pero this is so nice in person. So, meron siyang blue stone doon sa kanyang center. Madalas nilalagay yan sa mga evil eye protection. Yung mga blue. Nalimutan ko yung name ng stone. Pero, ang tawag dito, nag-avoid or nagba-block siya ng negativities rin. So, it's like tulong na rin or help, no, pagdating sa inyong mga evil eye na gamit. Okay, evil eye protection. So, ito rin, meron siyang blue stone dito. Hindi ko lang siya napapalinis ngayon. Okay, like cleanness. Anyway, so, dito na tayo sa tatlo. Sa tatlong the big three natin. Okay. So, unahin natin yung ating 2-in-1 love and money. Okay. Bracelet. So, ito siya. Okay. This is so nice. Okay. So, pwede sa lalaki, pwede sa babae. Sa lalaki, ilagay nyo po sa red pouch. Okay. So, meron siyang citrine. So, it's like, acting like money magnet. So, ginagamit madalas sa pamemera. Okay? Kasi may dala siyang, yun nga, magnet. No? Parang nagmamagnet ng pera. Parang nagmamagnet ng sales. Tataas ang sales mo. Tataas, benta mo nga. No? So, I need your real name here. Okay? I need your real name. Kung gusto niyo ipang regalo, real name po nung pagreregaluhan. Wala namang problem. Okay? Kung gusto niyo ipang regalo. Kasi maganda to. Madalas, yung mga nakakakuha nito, yung mga nagpo-purchase, iniririgalo din nila kasi maganda yung dala sa kanila, lalo na sa pamemera. Okay? Parang inuuna kasi nito pera bago yung love. Hindi ko alam bakit. So, siguro tactics niya yun, ng sarili niya. Tactics. Okay? Para ma-focus yung attention mo muna sa iba. Okay? Kasi medyo hindi ganoon nakadali pagdating sa love, no? Yung pera kasi, pwede mo ibigay na ibigay sa yan eh. Okay, so inihahanda ka siguro or ihahanda ka niya siguro, no, sa kung sino yung dapat para sa'yo or inihahanda niya yung energy mo. Anyway, so yun lamang. Yun po is pagdating sa love. Pero pagdating sa pera, naku, wala kayong dapat ipag-alala. So, next is yung ating granter. So, si granter po, yung taga-grant, okay, ng inyong mga minamanifest. Sana magka-visa na ako. Sana makapunta ako sa ganito. Sana makapasa ako. Sana maging okay na yung aming mga legal issue, legal matter, mga ganyang bagay. So, ito siya. Siya yung sumasagot nun. Siya yung nag-grant po nun. Okay? Sana mapamanahan ako. Sana may mabigyan ako ng ganito, ganyan. Yes, siya po, no? Siya yun. Madalas ito sa ano rin. Ito. At saka ito. Pinagsasama. Parang yung may mga big deals. Okay? Big deals. Like milyunan. Yun. Ganun po, ha? Yes, yun ang madalas na parang sabihin nating ginagawa nitong dalawang to. Ito yung parang sabihin nating sinasandalan madalas ng mga clients kapag meron silang ganong mga deals. Anyway, kung meron kayong ganon, well, siguro ayun yung may re-recommend ko sa'yo. So, again, si granter, no? So, yeah, weekly, may mga surprises to. At least 2. At least 2. Maliit man, malaki man. Okay? Yung parang, ay, wow. Something like that, no? Anyway. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Maganda yung kanyang chain. Okay? This is 2 years na. Wala pa rin namang nagfe-fade, actually. Anyway. So, yung atin namang cord cutting. So, ito yung magtatanggal ng alat. Sa buhay mo, sa business mo, sa pamamahay mo. Ayokong sabihin yung word na MALAS, kaya alat na lang. Okay po, kasi kapag madalas natin yung sinasabi, pwedeng mag-manifest yun, kaya iiwasan yung magsabi ng negative. No? So, eto, magsisilbing blockage din kung meron na siyang mga matatanggal. Okay? Para clean yung inyong energy and frequency. Okay, yung ating cord cut. Ganda nito, may mga stones siya, ha? Rose stones doon sa loob. Ayan, oh. Okay? So, meron ditong lapis lazuli. May mga ganyan siya. Okay? Hindi ko tanda yung name ng iba. Hindi ko sila tanda, pero yeah, iba't ibang yung stone na nandito. Like 5 or 6 silang iba't iba. Anyway, so there. Okay, ano pa ba? Yung ating ang tawag dito, cleansing, pang-cleanse. Okay, cleansing kit. Yes, so ang laman niya ay white sage and selenite. Ito po walang selenite eh. Okay, wala siyang selenite. So, yun lang yung kulang dito. Pero, hindi naman problem kung walang selenite. Okay, kasi pang-cleanse siya. Pwede mo naman silang i-purchase like separate. Okay? Kasi ito, yung ating cord cut, ang focus lang kasi talaga niya is to protect. Okay? Sa mga malalala, na energies. Okay? Okay. So, let's start the reading. Okay, again, dun po magme-message sa aking FB page. Pasensya na po, ha. Oo, kasi talagang mahaba. Kailangan kong isa-isahin yun para hindi ko na ulit-ulitin pa sa PM. So, again and again and again, let's start the reading. The reading starts at 9:30. Okay. So, let's see. Their emotions. Okay. Their emotion this week for you. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, who is this? The Nine of Wands could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Some of them they're hiding from you. nagtatago sila sa'yo, or pwedeng hindi mo sila makita, makutap-tapan, mahanap. Okay? Yes. So, bakit? Ano tong meron sa 9 of Wands? Some of you have trust issue, or pwedeng sa tingin mo lang meron silang tinatago sa'yo. Yeah, may nakatago. The Sun in the reverse. Oh my gosh. You're stalking them, some of you. Ini-stalk mo to. Hindi mo lang malaman kung paano, kasi some of you nga pwedeng naka-block. And this is your way kung paano mo makita. Okay? Yes! Panonood ng tarot reading online is another way of stalking your person's energy. If you're looking for your person, hindi mo makita, then makikinig ka ng reading about them, then you're stalking their energy. Let's see. So, nagtatago sa'yo, or feeling mo pinataguan ka, or nagsisinungaling sa'yo itong taong to. What is their emotion? Let's see. Yung iba sa inyo specifically, may chance na ang tinatanong mo or hinahanap mo sa kanya is assurance. Or talaga bang mahal ako ng taong to, whatsoever. Or like, pwede ko ba siyang pagkatiwalaan? Like that. So, let's see. What is your emotion for you this week? Ooh, too much hot and cold. Oo, hot and cold. Moody. Ay, kaya ka mag-iisip ng ganito sa kanya. Hindi stable, hindi consistent yung emotion. The Knight of Cups in reverse. And the Ace of Wands. Some of you, sabihin nating masaya lang kapag nag-sex. Oo, no? Masaya lang. Yes, may sex, pero parang kulang yung love. Parang ganun, yung nakukuha ko sa kanya. I don't know why. May chance po na, yes, nandyan yung intimacy ngayong week. The intimacy. The sex this week. Pero, hindi sila ganoon na parang open emotionally. Some of you, they're moody. Pwedeng hindi sila available. Tulad noon. Like, yeah, hindi sila ganoon na kagana ngayong week, no? Pagdating sa sex, mga ganyang bagay-bagay ba, no? Anyway, some of you kasi pwedeng nakukuha yung attention nila ng iba, or nagbibigay sila ng attention sa iba. Yeah, the Empress. So there's somebody else, I think. You want progress. Yeah, you want progress. You want improvement sa situation. Pero, yeah, hindi kayo magtugma. Hindi kayo magtagpo nitong taong to. Okay, so nandyan yung hot and cold. Pagdating sa emotion niya, may sex pero hindi ganoon like before. Okay, so intimacy. Yun lang eh. Wala akong makuhang emosyon talaga dito. Physical. This is physical. Tapos hindi pa maramdaman. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay. So, who else? Sino pa ba itong taong to? Air sign. Sino pa? Sino pa this? Chararan. The Four of Pentacles in reverse. What's with that? Some of them, pwedeng hindi sila ganun kaganda or kagaling humawak ng pera. Okay, could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, may nangyaring pag-separate. May nangyaring binitawan ka ng taong to. Separation could be. Yeah. Anyway, some of you could be manifesting this person. Let's see, ano ba ang emosyon ng taong to ngayon? Ngayon po na kayo ay hiwalay. Pwedeng, kung hindi man hiwalay, sabihin nating may distansya. Okay? Pwedeng may distansya, physical distance, no? The Ace of Wands. They're like, sabihin nating thinking of you sexually. Ba't ganyan? Puro mga sexual. Ace of Wands. And, yeah. Kaya ito ha. Okay, ito, this is an advice. Advicean ko na kayo kasi nakuha ko dito. Itong taong to, nangangailangan lang ng SEX talaga ngayong week sa'yo. Some of them para silang talagang nagka-crave. Kung sino man ito. Lalo na po, no, yung ka-break up ninyo, yung ka-separate ninyo, or yun nga, parang kahiwalay lang talaga physically. They want SEX. Talaga naman, no? Kung sa pusa, para silang ang tawag doon? In heat. Ito na naman tayo. Oo. In heat, yung person mo sa'yo. This week. Na? Oo. So, ayaw na nila ng ganito, na kayo malayo sa isa't isa. Gusto nilang bumalik or gusto nilang makipagkita if ever. Some of you, they will travel. Because they are in heat. So, yun po. No, oo. So, kailangan niya ayan nangangailangan siya nito. They're excited. Some of them, they're excited. Feeling excited this coming week for you. Oo. So, advice ko, no? Yun nga, pwedeng yung iba dito, pwedeng hindi kayo. Tapos ganyan, magme-message. Uy, baka naman pwedeng kita tayo. Oo, bakit naman tayo magkikita? Wala naman na tayo. Namimiss kasi kita. Ayan na. Lalabas na. No, oo. Yung totoo. So, be careful. Okay? Wala kang inaasahang comeback doon, please. Wala kang inaasahang comeback doon. Baka isipin nyo, baka magkakaroon na kami ng pagbabalikan kasi meron nang nangyari. No, guni-guni mo lamang yon. Anyway, so next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Let's see your person's emotion this coming week. Your person's emotion this week, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while I'm shuffling. Yes. So, who is this person? The Eight of Cups, Universe. Ito yung taong napakahirap alisan. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's with this Eight of Cups? Some of it, this could be a person from your past. Okay? An energy from the past. Itong Eight of Cups, reversed. The Three of Wands, reversed. They're silent. They're silent. This is a past person, mga fire signs. A past person na parang feeling mo or feeling niya wala nang mangyayaring pakikipagayos or pakikipagbalikan sa'yo. They're waiting. Yeah. Pero, yun nga, some of you, you're waiting. At itong taong to, ang tingin niya, parang wala ka ng pakialam. Pero they are still choosing to stay, no, sa energy mo. Some of you, nakikita mo, naririnig mo yung pangalan niya, mga ganong bagay. Because you're energetically attached pa rin to each other. That is why. Okay, there's attachments here. So, let's see, what is their emotion for you? So, sabihin natin, hindi pa rin nga totally nakaka-move on itong person na to. What is their emotion this coming week? See the Star. They're still hoping, praying, healing, some of them. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. See, they're stuck. They're stuck. Still wanting this connection to fix. Okay? They're still wanting this connection. Kahit sa tingin niya, parang ayaw mo na. Pero some of you, you're just waiting for them. This person from the past, you're still waiting, aren't you? Ay, hindi na po. O di hindi. Pwedeng hindi ikaw to. Okay? So, they're open. The Two of Wands, they're open. Pero nobody's taking the action. The first move. Anyway, they're stuck. Still stuck. Okay, so, who else? Who else? Alam mo, kawawa yung person mo, yung kanina. Kawawa yun. Kasi, hindi sila magkaroon ng bago pagdating sa energy eh. Like, stuck sila. Parang walang nangyayaring maganda. Alam nyo bakit? Pwedeng kayo din ganun. Okay? Pwedeng wala din masyadong nangyayari. Walang masyadong ganap. Kasi, yeah, para kayo nakakadena sa isa't isa. May limits. Yung energies nyo. Okay? So, who else? Fire signs. Okay, pwedeng hindi mo kausap. The Four of Swords. Could be, sabihin natin may nangyaring breakup. Separation. Okay, the Star. Could be an air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay, hindi kayo nakikipag-usap dito sa taong to. Or hindi sila nakikipag-usap sa'yo. They are silent. Some of you, there could be breakups nga. The Star is here. Andun yung energy ng resting. Andun yung energy ng resting. Some of you, this person admires you. So, kukunin ko po yung mga energy na pwede or mga nakikita ko dito. So, meaning to say, hindi lang iisa po, no? Yung mababasa natin. So, let's see. Nandito yung word na sabihin nating nagdarasal itong taong to. Pinagdarasal ka. Waiting for you. Still hoping. Or maybe you are. So, ano bang emosyon ito for you right now? Yeah. Oh, burdens. So, nabibigatan sila. Ito po kung meron pong separation sa inyo ng taong to, pinagdarasal niya yung sitwasyon ninyo na maging okay. Kasi hindi niya kaya yung sitwasyon sa ngayon, the Ten of Wands. Masyadong mabigat. So, siguro, kapag wala ka, hindi ganun kaganda, hindi ganun ka okay, hindi ganun kaayos yung sitwasyon. It's mabigat. It's mabigat. Yeah, the Fool in reverse. They're not ready, I think. It's like, sabihin natin, paano ako magsisimula nito muli nang wala ka. Ooh, nakakasad. Yeah, see. Some of them, they're single right now. They are single. Yung iba po, na nabanggit ko na itong taong ito, ina-admire ka. Some of them, meron silang mga gusto ng gawing plano. Like, reaching out if ever they're not talking. Pagbibigay ng hints, pagbibigay ng signals na they like you. Yeah, they like you. They admire you, really. Okay? So, yeah, see? Somebody will reach out. Kasi nga parang kung hindi nila gagawin yun, parang sasabog na, no? Yung damdamin nito sa'yo. So, pwede rin na ito yung taong hindi mo kausap ngayon. Gusto nila na may ma-fix. Okay? So, pwede kasing kung ano man ang lumabas dito, pwedeng platonic, friend mo, family members, no? Hindi kasi tayo magfo-focus rin sa love lang. So, kung ano po yung ating makuha. No? So, in general, this person is not talking to you. So, may, silence between the two of you. Pwedeng may mga issues sa inyo. Itong taong to, medyo hindi maganda. Okay? So, parang meron na siyang kailangang gawin this coming week na action. Kasi ayaw niya ng ganito kayo. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, so there. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Who is this person? Oh, may angel number ako sa'yo, 444, water signs. Okay, angel number ka, 444. So, who is this? Ooh, the Wheel of Fortune. Somebody na sabihin nating nagbigay ng magandang connection sa'yo. Or they have high frequency. Okay? What's with that Wheel of Fortune? Marami kang na-experience, I guess. Marami kang natutunan sa taong to. What's with that Wheel of Fortune? Ooh! The Four of Cups. The Nine of Swords at the bottom of the deck. And yes. Okay, the Empress. So, nagkaroon kayo ng strong connection ng taong to, water signs. May chance yung iba sa kanila pwede may anak na. Okay? Pero may nangyari ditong fallout. I'm hearing fallout. Okay? Meron ditong I don't know kung ikaw ito. Kasi this is water sign, the Four of Cups. This is panghihinayang. Nangihinayang ka ba sa taong to, water signs? Kung ikaw nangihinayang sa taong to, kasi pwedeng may nawala. Okay? Pwedeng may nawala. Pwedeng may iniiyakan kang something dito sa ngayon, sa inyo. Or pwedeng iniyakan mo tong taong to. Okay? Sabihin nating malaki ang naiambag ng taong to sa'yo, sa buhay mo. Mga ganyang bagay in general. So, let's see. Ano ba ang emosyon niya for you? Some of you may chance na tinatanggihan mo ito or natatanggihan mo na siya ngayon or kailangan mo siyang tanggihan ngayon. Okay? Kahit sabihin natin siya yung gusto mo. Oh. Ang hirap naman yan, water sign. So, tingnan natin ang emosyon niya for you. Okay, strength. They're in control. Pagdating sa emosyon nila. Okay? What's with that strength? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Some of them, they are holding back sa pagko-contact. Sa pag-contact sa'yo. Yeah. Okay, I think ang nangyari sa situation ninyo, ito sabihin ko sa inyo na parang, yes, may potential sana yung connection. This is a strong connection. Okay, pero hindi nangyari. This is sabihin nating unfulfilled wish. Okay? The one that got away. Mga ganong energy. They're holding back sa'yo. Mahirap to. They're holding back. Okay? So, merong effort na ina-exert itong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Meaning to say, hindi nila gusto ang ginagawa nila pagdating sa connection nyo sa ngayon. Kung hindi sila nakikipag-usap, hindi nila gusto yun. Kung hindi kanya nakikita, hindi niya gusto yun. See? They want this, the Knight of Swords. Ito na naman siya. The Empress. The Ten of Cups. I don't know kung merong involved dito. Family. Pero, andun yung sabihin nating you're their happiness. Yeah. Mahirap to. Huy. Pwedeng siya din yung happiness mo. Water signs. Yeah. Strong connection though. Strong connection. They have something to say. Pero, pinipigil na lang nila yung sarili nila. Talaga. Na kumonek or mag-contact sa'yo. Yeah. Yeah. The issue. Okay. The trauma na pwedeng maibigay muli sa sitwasyon if ever na kayo ay mag-reconnect. You're in their mind, in their heart. Okay, this week, I guess. So, who else? Water signs. Who else? Who else? Okay, let's check their emotions. Okay, may nag-flip. The Two of Wands. Pwedeng malayo kayo sa isa't isa ngayon. Pwedeng LDR. Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so anong meron sa Two of Wands? Oops, the Page of Cups in reversed. Some of them, they're younger. The King of Pentacles. Okay. May tendency na itong taong to is a self-centered person. Lagi kang pinaghihintay, lagi kang pinapaasa. I'm hearing immaturity here sa kanya. Okay? Lalo na nga, ang hirap nito kung LDR kayo. Yes. There's limits. Oo, may mga limits. So, emotion, the High Priestess in reversed. They're open. Death. Okay. So, etong taong to, may pagdadalawang isip na pagdating po sa separation. Kung ikaw is sabihin natin hindi available or sabihin natin hindi kayo magkaintindihan, may chance kasi na hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan, may age gap sa inyo, age difference sa iba sa inyo. Okay, meron ditong hindi makaintindi because of the situation, the distance could be. Yun ang mga rason. Okay? Pwedeng may somebody na parang may mag-open up dito patungkol po sa separation this coming week. I'm sorry. Sana hindi separation, sana pagbabago na lang. Kaso meron ganito. Wheel of Fortune na naka-reverse. Yeah. The Four of Cups. Ayaw natin na merong magre-regrets na lang in the end. Meron nang mag-open up, meron nang magko-question dito. Maghiwalay na lang tayo kaya. Parang ganon. See? Kasi somebody is stressed. Okay, somebody is stressed, somebody is sad. So, yeah, this is letting go. So, I'm sorry. Ay, buhay. Medyo sumakit ang ulo ko dun sa part na yon. So, anyway, so Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, let's see. Some of you could be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Somebody's still holding on to you sa energy mo. So, water signs. No. Earth signs. I'm sorry. Earth signs. Who is this person you're thinking? And then let's check their emotion for you this coming week. Okay, who is this? Earth signs. The moon could be Pisces, a water sign. Okay. They're confused, or maybe they're confusing. What's with that? The moon could be a Scorpio. No, it's a Pisces. Okay. And the King of Pentacles. They have, vices, like bisyo. Pwedeng, yeah. Ito, Earth signs, hindi ito para sa inyo. Sa lahat. Okay? Hindi para sa lahat. I mean, iba sa inyo mayroong tinatago itong taong to about their sexuality. Some of them, they're into same gender. I don't know kung alam mo yun. Okay? Pero pwedeng iniisip mo na ganun siya. They're into same gender, into same sex connection. Yeah. That's not for all. Okay, that's not for all. That's so specific. Okay. So, wala kang oras sa taong to pagdating sa mga BS niya. Okay? Pagdating sa mga BS niya. They have secrets. Okay, some of them, they're self-centered. Parang wala silang concern. Like that. Ganon yung tingin mo sa kanila. Some of you, tinalikuran mo tong taong to because of that. Okay, so what is their emotion right now? The Knight of Swords in reversed. So, pwedeng hindi sila makikipag-usap or hindi nila feel makipag-usap sa'yo this coming week. Page of Wands. Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reversed. The Ace of Swords. Alam nyo, itong taong to, kukunin niya yung attention mo this coming week. Okay? Pero hindi sila makikipag-usap They will just give you hints, signs, na sabihin natin, gusto nga nila na makuha nila yung attention mo. Okay? So, wala naman ako nakikita ditong energy na gusto nila makipag-ayos or what, or may offer na mangyayari. Wala. Okay? Naghihintay lang sila ng sabihin nating kung anong reaksyon ang ibibigay mo sa gagawin nila. Okay? Na pagpapapansin this coming week. Sila may problema dito. I think. Yeah. Some of them, they're too confused. Iba po sa kanila, gusto ka nilang i-chat or i-message. Handa na, alam na nila kung anong may message nila sa inyo, pero hindi nila magawang i-send. Hindi nila magawang i-send. So, yes. So, who else? For earth signs. Who else? Okay, the person you're thinking. So, who is this? Who is this? The magician. Could be a Virgo. Are you manifesting this person, or maybe they're manifesting you? So what's with that magician? The Eight of Cups in reverse. They're manifesting a comeback. A water sign, a Virgo. They're manifesting a comeback. They're still manifesting na parang sana gusto pa rin ako ni earth sign. Something like that. Still, meron pa rin ditong attachments. Okay? Like, sabihin natin, pwedeng nakikita mo to sa panaginip mo. Somebody like that. Okay? This person has or still have, the tools para bumalik sa'yo. Okay, the tools. Let's see, what is your emotion? Yeah, the lovers. They want to come back. They want to reunite. They want to, ang tawag dyan? To have a union. Okay, they want to reconnect. Something like that. The lovers. Yeah, the attachments. Why the lovers? Why? Oh, yes, there's option. May option ba dito? Okay, meron ba ditong option? Sino bang may option dito? Some of you, ikaw may option dito, earth signs. Okay. Gusto nila ng reconnection, pero hindi nila alam or hindi nila sure kung open ka pa rin for them. They see you as somebody who has option. Do you have an option? Earth signs. Do you have an option? Do you have a side dish? Pwede yun ang tingin nila sa'yo. Okay? Kung wala man, baka kasi meron ng iba eh. Yeah. Gusto nila ng pakikipag-ayos or maybe pakikipagbalikan. Yeah. Ooh. The King of Cups. Nandun pa rin yung love nito. They still like you. Pero hindi nila maipakita kasi hindi sila ganoon ka sigurado pagdating sa'yo or pagdating sa pagiging available mo. Yeah, they want to come back. The Seven of Cups in reverse. This is coming back. A return. Wanting to return. No, they still like you. Or pwede sabihin natin, baka hindi na ako sure eh. Baka hindi na siya available. Like that. Ganun lang. Pero yun nga, emotion niya is to reunite. This coming week. They want to reunite. So, there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, again, follow our FB page. And yun pong ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yung atin pong love letter. Yes. So, pwede tayong mag-message doon ng ating mga gustong tawag dyan, ipabasa na inyong mga love messages kung kanino man po ninyo gustong ipahatid, no? Pwedeng anonymous or pwedeng sabihin nyo yung pangalan nyo. Just say so. Doon natin i-ere sa kabila nating channel na love letter. Okay, nasa description box below. Pakihanap na lang po. So again, thank you! Goodbye!